Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa Sports Academy made a statement of intent and professionalism by coming out with their team jersey ahead of inaugural edition of Goa Professional League Cricket Tournament. The Panji-based side has been supported by the NRB Group of Nana Bandekar, BVM Group of Seema Angle, Prabhu Enterprises and Marcus Beach Resort. The Aditya Angle-led team is raring to go and make its mark in the GPL.
Chairman of NRB Group, Nana Bandekar, accompanied by his son Nitin Bandekar, BVM Group Seema Angle unveiled the team jersey of Goa Sports Academy on Wednesday night in Panji. Former Rajasthan Royals all-rounder and GSA captain Aditya Angle introduced the sponsors to his team members. The mood in the GSA camp is upbeat in the run-up to the Boxing Day start of the 2020 tournament. Prudent Media caught up with the experienced spinner Sonu Sharma, GSA coach Sudhin Kamath and captain Aditya Angle.
I have with me the only outstation player of Goa Sports Academy, Sonu Sharma, left arm orthodox spin bowler. He has been playing his cricket for last 8 years and he has represented Haryana and now he plays for Air India and turns out with the likes of MS Dhoni and Yuvraj Singh. Sonu, you have had a couple of net sessions with the Goa Sports Academy players. What's your initial assessment of the side?
Frankly speaking, it's a mixture of young and experienced cricketers, and so far it looks really good. And I'm really impressed by the way they've been practicing hard and more confidence as being a professional. So if my approach is professional, so a lot of youngsters will try to follow that, and hopefully I'll try to do my best and they can follow it up.
How balanced is your side?
Well, it's pretty much balanced. I mean, you know that we went in for youngsters, and when we went for auction, my main aim was to get all-rounders. And we got some all-rounders, very good young all-rounders like Janan Asgaonkar, and then Adit Angle himself is an all-rounder, and then now Sonu Sharma has come. And if you go to see, we got around 6 all-rounders in our side, so that will help us for the 2020 tournament.
You will have the chance to play under very experienced quality cricketer like Sonu Sharma. How does that feel?
See, it's a very good experience playing under such a experienced player, and he's played a lot of cricket. I would say a lot of cricket. Maybe I wasn't born then. I mean, I wasn't born in cricket. I would say I wasn't playing cricket then. He's played with all the international class players also, and I think moreover he's a very down-to-earth person. We can learn a lot from him. He's a very, very good person basically on the field and off the field also.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
24th December is the birth anniversary of legendary playback singer Mohammad Rafi. Mohammad Rafi's singing career has spanned over 4 decades. Mohammad Rafi's voice enthralled his fans and made them forget their pain and agony for many years. What more can we say about this master of music and most popular playback singer of his time? Prudent remembers the Maestro Rafi on his 85th birth anniversary. Before we end this bulletin, here is a melodious voice straight from the heart. Take care and goodbye.
अभी न जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी न जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं। अभी अभी तो आई हो, अभी अभी तो एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर। ये तेरा ख्याल है, फरीद जाने मन जाने जा तुमने मुझे देखा